Today we are installing a set of the Thrashin Essential bags with their hard mount bracket kit. This kit is designed to fit a wide variety of bikes, from Dynas to the M8 Softails. Great thing about these bags is they can be run as a throwover for something temporary, or if you want to more permanently mount them, you can get the brackets. Super easy kit to install, so let's get to it. Okay, so the first thing we're going to be doing is removing the stock hardware. These are T45 bolts. Next, we will grab our bracket. These brackets are adjustable. They can be mounted in multiple different positions. Next step is we are going to grab our blue Loctite. Bolt goes through the bracket. Have your spacer on the back side. Once we've got our alignment where we like it, we can then give the final torque on these bolts. Next, we'll grab the bag, get that set up onto our bracket, and we can get the mounting bar and hardware ready to go, and these will get bolted onto the bike. I like to lift the bag up, pull that strap through, unstrap the Velcro mounting straps, get them fed through the bracket. Like to get both these fed through first. As you can see, a super install, maybe 5 minutes aside. Total install time around 10 minutes. If this is something you're interested in, head on over to getloweredcycles.com, pick you up a set.